To activate the smart boost on the zappi, first we need to make sure that your EV is plugged in. To plug your cable in, you may find that the Myenergi bolt does turn pink. That's absolutely fine, it's just advising that we're waiting for surplus. Once it's all plugged in, if you press plus on the zappi, you'll see a boost comes up. Press plus again until it says smart boost. Once it says smart boost, let that setting lock in, and the smart boost will start, assuming that you've met the parameters, i.e. the settings you set up previously. If you haven't met those yet, you may find it says smart boost, but it doesn't start charging straight away. That is normal, it just means it hasn't met the time point it needs to start charging just yet. But as long as it says smart boost on your screen, it's ready to do the smart boost.